Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting essentials ready. Open settings and verify Android version and storage so installation won't fail. Next, pick a reputable VPN app or the built-in profile because trust matters for privacy. Tap Install or Add VPN and allow the app to request permissions. Once done, sign in or enter server details. Make sure credentials match the provider instructions. These first steps avoid common setup blocks and put you at the right starting point for connection. Now you focus on the detailed configuration. Choose a protocol like WireGuard for speed or IKEv2 for stability, because protocol affects security and battery use. Enter the server address, username, and password exactly as provided, and add a pre-shared key if required. Then configure DNS settings to prevent leaks, enable split tunneling if you want selective routing, and toggle the kill switch for safety. These middle steps define how traffic flows and how resilient the VPN behaves. Finish by tapping Connect and confirm the VPN icon appears in the status bar. Then run a quick IP or DNS leak check to verify protection. If it does not connect, retry with a different protocol or switch to another server, because many issues are route-specific. Make sure your subscription is active and the app is up to date. As a final tip, try toggling airplane mode briefly or resetting network settings. These steps often clear stubborn network conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.